got a weakness for the most swayback horses, pretty girls and fine guitars, antique cars and cowboy bars. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. This song was requested, so if you guys have a song request, please let me know and I'll get to it as soon as I can. So let's get into it. So this song is in standard tuning. You have a capo on the 5th fret, and you're only going to use 3 chords. And I don't know if you can tell, I kind of banged up my finger. So I already had jammed it wouldn't straighten, but now I jammed it again. So it's kind of a pain. So anyway, I'm doing my best for you, all right? So please hit like and subscribe, and let me know if you have any comments or other songs you want to learn, okay? So what you're going to do, capo on the 5th fret, you're going to play D. Okay, so D. You're also going to play G, not in this order, well, not usually, and D, and E minor. E minor, okay? So you got D, G, and E minor. Those are the 3 chords you're going to use for this song, okay? This is not the exact picking. I can't hear it that well, so I can't totally pick it out, but this is close. So with these chords, the way you're going to start, there's a couple ways. If you want to play it super simply, if you just want to play the chords for it, you can just do, and you're just trying to hit the bottom 3 strings. Okay, the G, B, and little E. Okay, you're just trying to hit those 3. Alright, so you could just do D, E minor, and then G. And you can do either G. I'm doing this one, but you can do either one. And it's okay, so you notice how I hit the D string a little bit? That's okay too. D. So you're just doing D, E minor, G, D for the intro, okay? Alright, and that's how a lot of the song goes. Not the whole thing, but a lot. Okay, so that you can do it that way. Another way you can do it is for the intro and the verse. You can pick just in order, so just sequential order. You would go G, B, little E. Just over and over. G, B, E, 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 then G, G, B, E, G, B, E, G, B, E, G, B, E. I keep saying P, but it's B. G, B, E, G, B, E, G, B, E, G, B, E, G, B, E. Okay, so you could just do that, or another way you can do it that might be a little bit easier. It's kind of easier for me, but you can do, so you're going down, so you go G, B, E, B, 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 G. So that one you're coming back up. So you're going all the way down, up. So you can see like this. So thumb, pointer, middle, pointer, thumb, pointer, middle, pointer, okay? And then, or you can just do it the other way, what I was doing, which you're just doing thumb, pointer, middle, thumb, pointer, middle, thumb, pointer, middle, okay? So you can kind of do any of those that you want, whatever you think is, whatever's easiest for you. But if you just want to play it like just the chords, you just do the down and up strumming. So you can hear how it sounds very similar, okay? So you can do D, E minor, G for the intro, then you go down D, you're gonna do I've lived, so you do I've is D, I've lived the life of a hired hand. So on hand is where you switch to E minor, hand. I've lived, you do G here, lived the life of a working man. So man, you go back to D. So you're still doing D, E minor, G, D. And you do, all right, so you stay on D. I've lived the life of a gypsy too. Okay, so 2 is where you do E minor, 2. And I have lived is G, lived the life of a drunken fool. All right, so fool is where you do D, fool. I've got a weakness for them all. So you stay on D in the chorus. You're just gonna stay on D the whole time for a while. I've got a weakness for them all. So you go, oh, so like After you do O, so the L part, that's where you're gonna do G. Oh, sway back horses. So then horses, at the end of horses, you do D. Pretty girls and fine guitars. Guitars is where you do E minor. Guitars. Antique cars. So antique cars is G. Antique cars and cowboy bars. Bars is D. Bars. So if you want me to play that, the chorus before you do D. I've got a weakness for the most swayback horses, pretty girls and fine guitars, antique cars and cowboy bars. Okay, so just like that. Then after every time that you play the chorus, you play the intro part again without any lyrics. You just do D, E minor, G, D. Just do it once without any lyrics, okay? Sometimes he does like some little solo stuff. You play the chorus again, and you go on to the next verses. Every time you go from chorus to verse, you play just the intro part with no lyrics. All right, now, towards the end of the song, when you do the last verse, okay, sorry, the last chorus, you're just going to do single strums. I've got a weakness for the most swayback horses, pretty girls and fine guitars, antique cars and cowboy bars. Well, it's a long way far, long way from over. Okay, so you'll do that. And you can kind of listen, but he does something very similar in the song. So, and you can also switch that up too if you ever just want to. So if you just want to kind of do a single strum, just to kind of change it up a little bit, you can totally do that. It's the beauty of music. You can kind of use your own creative license. So anyway, I hope that was good enough for you. Sorry I've got the banged up finger, but I hope it didn't affect me too much. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So thanks for watching. See you next time.